Friday, September 30th, 2 days after Hurricane Ian hit here. This is Fort Myers Beach. I'm on Eucalyptus Court, about 500 yards from the Gulf. All this debris came between the houses. I stayed on the deck, at the deck level in the house up there for the hurricane. Those are the steps you go up. Here's all the debris that ended up in front of the house. And then this is everything. This is how you get back to my apartment. Here's the front apartment. Windows are gone. A kayak ended up here. A lot of fencing, and look at this debris. Then this was my living room. The sofa was against the wall. There was a TV in the corner here. Nice recliner there. The fridge was back in that corner, obviously. It floated out and tipped over. Very nice kitchen. Big for considering the apartment size. The clock stopped at 1:35 p.m. Here's the kitchen table, which was over there. There's my computer monitor underneath the fridge. Ceiling all came down, so everything's coated with wet ceiling tiles. That hole blew in from the front apartment. Nice antique desk. The bathroom's back there. That's the bathroom door right there. Here's my bedroom. There's my new purple mattress. Week and a half old. My windows got blown out and a lot of things left through the window. I had a lot of clothes sitting on top of the dresser. The dresser ended up on end. And I found a few pairs of pants on the floor in here, but the rest probably floated out the windows. Here's my closet. A lot of surviving clothes. They were hanging. They're all full of silt and stuff in the pocket, but they were all hanging here during the hurricane when the water got up to and into the ceiling down here. I had a shelf unit I installed back here, but that's sort of useless now. And everything I had on top here sort of disappeared. There's a Dyson vacuum. The bed was against that wall, and the dresser, and there was that nice chair there. That nice chair was in the corner here. Then you go back out to the living room and kitchen, and then you get into the bathroom. There's some nice storage here, back there. Get into the bathroom. And this was a very nice bathroom. But part of the wall fell down and is on the floor, so I can't open the door. There's a shower back there. And that's about it.